science class. I hope that you are feeling good and that you're doing good. I am feeling great and I am excited for this lesson. So, have you ever wondered how the song that beautiful bird makes reaches from the bird to you? Well, today we're going to find that out. Just have in mind that that is accomplished through vibration. So, what I want us to do right now, I want you to take your hand and I want you to place it right here under your throat. And you're going to hum anything that you want. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Do you feel that? Let's do it one more time. Let's do it a little louder. You see, that movement that you feel is called vibration. And the vibration is created by the vocal cord. Alright, so now that we know that song is created through vibration, we want to find out how song travels. And that is where we are going to do our little experiment. Now remember that science is fun, but it can also be dangerous. Therefore, we need a responsible adult to help you and guide you while doing your experiment. Now, I'm going to present to you the materials that I am going to use for my experiment. Alright, in this experiment, we are going to be finding out how song travels through solid. As we can see, the particles are already moving and this is caused by vibration. The vibration causes movement in the particles and the particles surrounding it are moving as well. Here we can see how the vibration causes a wave pattern light. And these wave patterns light are known as song waves. See how the particles are moving? I want you to take a look at this carefully now. Look at how this wave is going to be formed. This here is called a longitudinal wave. And a longitudinal wave is a wave that moves in a parallel direction and in an anti-parallel direction. Here we can see how the song is following that wave. Some of the particles are moving down and some are moving up. Alright, in this second video, I decided to change water and use some Coke. Here we're experimenting how song travels through liquid. Take a look at how the song waves are being formed in the water. The louder the song, the bigger waves are formed. The lower the song, smaller waves are formed. You see the waves? Alright, so I'm going to show you another experiment that I decided to do here. And I decided to remove the plastic and place plastic wrap on the speaker.
Too nice.
you enjoyed this experiment as much as I did. Remember that if you want to try this experiment at home, you can do so with the help of an adult. Alright, so what is it that you learned about sound waves and how do they travel? Excellent, you were really paying attention. First of all, we know that the louder the sound, the bigger the wave is formed, and the slower or the lower the sound, the smaller the sound wave is formed. That is exactly what happens when you're at home and your mom is calling you. She's in the hall and you're in the room, and she calls your name over and over and you are not able to hear her. That means because she was not speaking loud enough. So since she was speaking in a lower voice, the vibration that causes the air particles to move, it causes a disturbance. It did not create a big wave. So the sound wave did not reach to where you are. But if she had spoken loud, then the sound wave would have been bigger and therefore it would have reached to where you are. So we know now what is sound wave, right? Remember at the beginning of this lesson, we were wondering how the song that the birds make reaches to us. Now I want you to take your time and complete your record sheet and explain to me how the song that the bird makes reaches from the bird to you, explaining me how the sound waves travel. Alright, see you later. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. I hope you learned a lot and you can explain to your friends and family members how sound waves are formed and how sound waves travels from one end to another. See you later.